Hi everyone, this is Jim, and I am here with the ASC Auction album. This is a 4x8 album with a 2-inch spine. It's using the Stamperia Alice collection. And I have some mulberry flowers here, along with a wooden filigree, a long tail from the collection, cut apart, and then a little metal red rose. I used the cards for the back, or the spine, and then this paper for the back, which is from the backgrounds and solids from the collections. If you like this collection, you want to make your own, head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy and use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off. And let's get into it. So the front pocket, or the front page, has a pocket. It has a trim on it, so it's kind of hard to get in to. There's nothing sticking in there, but you can always stick something in there. And then I have lots of tags, and this goes up, so those tags hold that down. And I think there's some paper quilting in here also. And then I use some solids to supplement, but it also breaks up the paper quite nicely. So this album would be good for all your Alice fans out there. I know everybody has an Alice fan. That was a diagonal belly band. We have a small page here. This is one of the quilted pages. And the fold out here, another quilted page. It just takes all the pages, all the papers from the collection, and it kind of gives them a crisscross pattern. There's a quilted page here, because I was down to the last little bit. If you open this up, you can see the tea party scene. It does say tea party here, and it has the little story start. And then this one has a waterfall in the middle, and the waterfall is unmatted, so it gives you plenty of room for your papers and for your pictures. There's a pocket here. It has a double mat, some cream colored cardstock to supplement, and then one of the bookmarks from the collection, and another book. And I just put black paper on here just to break up all the patterns we have going here, because there is a lot of patterns. Okay, and then this one is a half page here, and then this is a triple pocket, so we got lots of pockets here with tags. And then some of the cut aparts that I hand cut, and I still have some cut aparts. I still have some scraps from this collection to make lots of cards with. So, and then there's a large pocket up here that there's no tag in. And then we have a fold out, a double fold out here. And then the last page is the hair. Okay, and there you go. That is your 4x8 mini album with a 2-inch spine for the ASC Auction group with the Great Pyrenees Paws and Rescues. So go ahead and check out my post down there. All the information's in the link below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.